Alright, robot, here's our project today. We are about replacing this part of the pump that is malfunctioning on us. The order of operations is we're going to have to take this thing out by taking out those lag bolts there, cutting off the plumbing, hauling it out here on the deck to where we can get to it, and then after that it's easy to do the reverse when we put it back together. So here we go. Alright, there's the part we're going to have to replace. We're going to have to take off those plugs, take off all the plumbing, undo those nuts, bolts, whatever they are. Call it good. These have to come off. These are the drain plugs that are supposed to be removed before it freezes, which I of course didn't do, causing it to crack and screw up. I'll show you the crack in a minute if I can find it. Alright, now we're rocking. Now this thing's got to come out. Forgot that was on there. That's an adapter. Top of this is 1 inch. My line is 3/4, and so this is an adapter. Right off of here if I tap it just right. crack. There we go. Some kind of seal, which I suppose has to go on there, right? There's our plumbing. We don't have it installed yet, but we fit it in there dry. That one goes in at the top of the pump first. Then the rest of it can connect together with our monster blue stuff. Hopefully I made a good enough connection right there. If it didn't, I'm going to laugh and redo it, but I'm calling it good. Now to test it.